Hey guys, today I'll show you how to make this super easy mug cake. Obviously you need to start with a mug, any size, but make sure it's more than 1 cup. Then add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix, then add 2 tablespoons of any milk you want. I use soy milk. After that, mix in a tablespoon of oil. Don't use olive oil like I did. It had a strong scent and just did not do good in the mug cake. After giving it a quick mix, add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is optional, but I added sprinkles. Right here, you can add in pecans, blueberries, strawberries, any mixin you want. That's all to the batter, and you microwave this for about a minute. I did more to a minute and 15 seconds. Just how strong your microwave is, adjust it. I piped on some whipped cream and added extra sprinkles.